Audio synchronization. Just give me a sec. Test. Okay. Audio synchronization. So, yeah. Welcome to Video Masters video channel. So, welcome to Video Masters video channel. Yeah, I know it's been a long time since I uploaded the last video, like a month or something. I'm sorry for all that. We were busy.
Your exposition is nothing but a load of crap.
And most especially, the world is not in a great situation right now. It is really bad, and it's really sad. So stay home and do something while you're at home, like now. So today I'm gonna tell you guys how to make a fog in Blender. So Blender is something new to our channel. It's basically the first tutorial I'm going to do on Blender. So yeah, I hope it's gonna go well. Yeah, okay. So Blender is a free open source software. You can easily download it from their website. It's totally free. You don't have to pay. If you like to pay, you can just go ahead and help them, fund them. Yeah, I guess. So yeah, let's create a fog. I will tell you how to make a fog really quickly and easily. Yeah, quickly and easily. So if you have some kind of scene, you can just add it.
It's 6 o'clock.
What?
You can just, if you have some kind of scene, you can just add a fog and make it look cool. Yeah, fog. They make things cool. Take my word for it. They do. Okay, so let me just create a basic scene here. Okay, let's do this basic cube and add a plane. So I'm gonna just check if the recording. Yeah, it's recording. Okay, so I added a plane and I'm gonna scale it so we can use it as a floor. And let me just delete. Okay, let me just not delete. Just make this small point lamp a spot lamp. Yeah, I want to see the cone too. Okay, so alright, so we can change the color to something like red or something. Yeah. And okay, it looks fine. And let's make a copy of it. Shift D. And let's turn it up, turn it around. Okay, put it back. Okay, I guess it's too much. Okay. Okay, nice. Just give me a sec. So, I've created this basic scene, and just let me change the light. Okay, so it's really basic, nothing much. And let me just move that. Okay, so first of all, let me just go ahead and change the render engine to cycles, which is really awesome. It's so cool, so realistic. I use cycles a lot. So it looks fine, right? No, it does not. That's what I'm saying. You need fog to it. That is the only way. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so if you want to add some fog, you just need to go ahead and create a cube. and scale it up. You don't want the file to be too small, do you? Okay. You scale it up and go to the shadings panel and create a new material. So, and go to add and search for volume. So, if we have principal volume, you can just add it to here and just, match this. Then you have a nice little file. No, not yet, just wait. So this looks just like a cube. It hasn't changed much. So what we want to do here is just lower the density. The density is too much. We want to lower it. I'm going to add 0.05. Yeah, I'm going to add 0.05. So now we have this. You go to layout and like this. See, now we have a nice little bar. So if you can just go ahead and play around with the settings. You just to give it some more. Right? Okay. 0.9, 0.1. Okay. It's a little bit more dense now. Yeah, I mean, it looks fine. Totally fine. So now we have our nice file. I feel like something is missing. Let's just add something. Let's go ahead and a UV sphere. Okay. Now we can just go ahead and drag it to here, in the middle of the lights, and here. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. So we can take FSN to lock the camera to view, and you can find a better angle. The light. Okay. Man, look at that. Isn't it awesome? I know. So let me just go with the render. Let's see if you can. No. 30 something? No. 60. Yeah. My beast is not that much of a beast. So let's render an image to see what we got. It's creating something. It's super awesome. Yeah. While you wait for that, subscribe and give us a like. So, yeah, give us a like, subscribe. It will help you. You'll learn a lot of things. Yeah, we're getting there. I mean, look at this thing. It looks perfect, right? It has that feeling. It looks cool. If we want it to be more, detailed, you can just give it some more qualities of render and some denoising and stuff. Well, I'll do another tutorial on those stuff later. I mean, this looks cool. You gotta admit, it looks cool. So, I guess you have learned a lot. Not a lot. It's just simple stuff. And yeah. So, see you guys again in a new video. I don't know when it's gonna be. Next video, it's maybe a month or something. But be sure to leave a like and comment also, and also subscribe and hit the bells so you won't miss any more videos in the future. So if you if you haven't watched other videos, go check these out. They're awesome. I'm out. See you guys in the next video.